Finals week is coming, and most students are still stuck with messy notes, stress, and no plan. But what if AI could actually study with you? Meet your new study partner, Gemini. It can turn your notes, lectures, and confusion into a smart study system. Now I'm going to show you 6 powerful ways to study for finals using AI that can completely change how you learn. Tip 1. All notes in one place. First, stop losing time between different apps and files. Put all your notes, PDFs, and lectures in one place. Tip 2. Study guides. Now let AI turn everything into a clean study guide or flashcards, so you only focus on what actually matters for exams. Tip 3. Notes to podcast. Don't like reading all the time? Turn your notes into audio and study while walking, eating, or relaxing. Tip 4. Visual learning. Some topics are hard to understand just by reading. AI can help you visualize them and make them simple. Tip 5. Practice tests. Test yourself with AI-generated exams. This helps you find exactly what you still need to learn. Tip 6. Step-by-step learning. When a topic feels difficult, AI explains it step by step, like a personal tutor that never gets tired. Studying doesn't have to be stressful. With AI, you don't study harder, you study smarter.